Okay, so now we'll be building the search component. So basically the search feature will be implemented inside that. So for that we need to make a file inside the components folder. So that file would be inside the components, it will be search.js. So search.js, and here we will import boilerplate code. So that will be rsce, and using our extension, very cool, very helpful. So this is the basic boilerplate code for the search component. So the very first thing is a div. Inside this div we'll first thing which we'll do is we'll import the search icon. So let me go to material UI and get the search icon. So let me just delete this, and now we will search for the search icon. We'll search for the search icon. So search, this is it. We'll copy this and we will paste it inside the, like this, import, and the search icon has been successfully imported. Now what we'll do is we'll import that, like we'll use this. So we'll copy this, copy, and inside this we will make use of this. So we'll paste it, and this is the search icon. Next we'll be having an input field which is responsible for taking the input, like where the user will be typing the fields. uh, so that is the search field, with the user will be typing the keywords basically. So we'll create an input field, so that will be input, and yeah, type will be text. And let me just grab this inside the app.js to see if it's working. So let me just import it. So import search from component slash search. Cool. After the header there will be search, so it will be search, and done. Let me see if the server is running. Yes, it is. Let us go to the browser. So you can see here we got the search icon and we got the input field which is responsible for taking the input. So let us now go ahead and style this search, like the entire search component. So the very first thing is I need to give a placeholder here, so that I'll give, let me go here inside the search, and here I will give like the placeholder. Yeah, so that will have a value which will be in string basically, and we will write here search here and two dots, and we'll save it. Now we will go to the index.css and start styling the search component. So that will be, first of all we'll have to give the class names to the div. So the first div which is here, so we'll give it a class name of search, and class name of search, and another one search icons we can give to the this button, class equal to search icons, and here it's an equal to, not an hyphen. We'll just save it and we'll go to the index.css. Now the very first thing which we'll do is we'll style the search component. So we'll write the search class here, search, and inside of this we'll be giving the styling css properties. So the very first thing is the display flex. We're going to make use of the display flex, the flex box. So we'll make use of this, and next we'll be aligning the items to center. Align items to center, and we'll give a background color to it, that is be RGB, and all the values will be same, all of them. and we'll save it. Now when I go here and go to the browser and I see, so you can see there is a little bits of styling. Things have come in order. Like previously they were not in order, they were like one after another, but now they are in one line, and we can see they are looking good. Okay, so that's it. Next we'll give some more styling to it. So let's go back. Inside of this we'll give some more styling. So after the background color we'll give some border radius to make it round. So border radius there should be of 10 pixels, and after that there should be a padding which of 5 pixels. Now let me see how that looks like better than before. So now let's come here. After this we'll give some margin bottom 1.5 rems. Okay, save it. Now we come here, that looks pretty good, right? So now what we'll do is we'll give some more styling. So next we'll give the styling to the input, like this input thing right here inside the search div. We'll give the class name as search and then input, so that's the input field. So we will give as search and then input, and inside of this we'll give the border as none. That looks not good, that doesn't look good. So next we'll be giving it the background color, that will be RGB of course, and same 2 to 3 2 to 3 2 to 3, and next we'll be giving it a width with a 100%. We save it. And now when I go back to the browser, you can see that looks like pretty good, better than before. There's no outline and all, so I will disable this outline also when I'm clicking on it, so it's showing me an outline. I will disable this also. So let's do that. I'm here inside the CSS file. So here what I'll do is search input and then focus, search input and then like focus it. So inside this I will disable the outline, so the outline would be none, and save it. And when I go back now and yeah, now when I click there is no outline, it looks really beautiful. So that is the magic of CSS basically. So now what we'll do, I think we are done for the search component. So now what we'll do is we will move further and we'll create another component, that is the node component. So what is the problem here? Let me see why it's not giving the proper padding. At this there's a body code, so I think it is because of this app, because we are not given any class name to this. But here there's a body and there's a code. Okay, never mind, we'll do that further. But what we are going to do next is we are going to create the node component or the create node. We'll see which one we must go first. So as you can see here inside of this we have done two things right now. Header we have done, search we have done, dark mode we have done. Now we'll do like any one of them. like the create or the list or the note, anyone. So but first thing we need to display it, so probably we'll do that only, the making one. Okay, so we'll do it in the next video.